But here's the Restore. It's made by Turtle Wax. Trim Restore. Transfer dull plastic like new. Apply in one step for instant results. Age reversing technology. Easy one-step application. Restore. Color and shine from dull to fading to damage. For use in plastic or rubber. Well, let's see about that. Alright. Here, this will be before the product. See how faded that is? And we're going to bring that back to life. Okay, here you go. It says I don't need a lot, a little dab. Now, there you go. There's your difference right there. And it's supposed to stay wet like that for a while. Alright, I'm going to finish it. And there you have it. Nice and shiny. Yeah, it's getting dark. But you get the idea how shiny that is from before. Yeah, big difference. If you want to grab a bottle of this Trim Restore, check out the link below in the description box. We'll catch y'all later in the next video.